Hey everyone, hope I was doing good out there. So today I'm gonna tell you what I like best about the TLX over the Honda Accord. Now, this is a lot of this stuff that I mention is subjective to each person, of course, depending on what you like. And I've had Accords so many years. I've had them, and they're great cars. I love the quality of them. Definitely the best bang for the buck, I would say that. You get a lot for the money. But this car, I just love the angles of it. I love the hard lines in it. How the fenders flare out in the back. I do love that. Ever since I first saw it, it just caught my attention. But I'm going to go inside here and kind of go over what I think makes it special. If you guys haven't seen them, there's a lot of customization inside these cars as far as lighting and all that stuff goes. It's really nice. I love the layout, the fit and finish is really high quality. That's probably the biggest thing I'll say. So again, it's subjective. These are quite a bit more expensive than the Accord. But on the flip side, they do put nicer materials inside here. I mean, all the materials here are really nice. Has real aluminum in here. Really nice feel to it. The way the dash is contoured, the stitching on it. Just really nice quality. That was one thing I noticed when I took it for a test drive. But at the end of the day, it's Honda is what I really like about it. So you get the reliability. But yeah, that's the best thing I could say. I mean, this thing came stock with, has the white LEDs all inside, which is nice. I was gonna go exchange those for the LED ones, but they already have them, so that's nice. That's an upgrade. Has the ambient lighting, which I really like, and you can do a ton of different options. I like the stitching on the dash on here. Nice flat bottom steering wheel. And then even the paddle shifters are aluminum, which are different than the Honda had plastic ones. Just nice, really nice quality. It's they did really well with the design. I like it. The leather is really high quality. If I compare it to my Pilot's leather, it has a suede in the middle. So that's kind of what drew me when I test drove it. Has plenty of room for me in the back, except that's one place, if you look at the size of the car, you would expect it to have a huge back seat. It does not. I will say that. But for my family, it works fine. Has the ambient lighting under here and the feet as well already. That was something I did on the Accord. It's really nice. Has a really long nose. So it does take a little bit getting used to judging it, but it has sensors all over. Has sensors in the front and on the rear as well. But yeah, just the overall nice design, nice layout, and the touches they put. It has the aluminum speaker grills on it, which is nice. An amazing sound system. If you guys like audio in your car, I would say one reason to get this car is because of that. Has 17 speakers, ELS Studio 3D sound. I can't even explain it. Even if I let you listen to it, it's not going to pick it up over the phone. But it sounds amazing. Light years ahead of anything I listened to before. They have speakers in the head, the ceiling, center speakers. I mean, the speakers all over this car. Some might say overkill, but if you really especially if you have a commute, it would be great to listen to it. Just nice, really nice quality. So, again, I just want to share a quick video, letting you know my thoughts of it. Like I said, it's hard because they're subjective. For the price, the Accord does a lot of things great. But as far as just a nice car to drive in, the amenities, the fit and finish, of course, it's Honda. So that's what drew me to it, is because it does have great fit and finish like Honda, and the reliability will be there. But then it has things it builds off of what the Accord is. So even when I'm shutting the doors and all that kind of stuff, I still can feel Honda. Some of the switches they use still are Honda, of course. That's who makes it. So that's what I like about it. why I wanted to stay with the family, the Honda family, is because I do like everything they use. I like their buttons. I like, you know, all that kind of stuff. But then it just takes the Accord and it goes a little bit better, like as far as like the touches, like the aluminum they put, the ambient lighting that's factory in it, the driving positions, the sport modes that you can adjust the steering feel and make that tighter. You know, they have a lot more customization, I will say. But of course, it costs substantially more. So there's the downfall. But then again, you know, you pay more, you usually get a little bit more. That's what I've seen. But that's just things that I like about this car. Just want to share with you. If you guys have one of these, let me know what your favorite thing is. And especially if you come from a different Honda product, what your guys' thoughts are. I'd like to hear it. Just drop them below in the comment section. Get back to you. Love hearing you guys' feedback. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good. Staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.